nabanggit nyo kanina na this will be the first time that your group will be performing sa The Big Dome. Siguro as an artist dito sa Pilipinas, malaking bagay kapag nagpe-perform sa Araneta Coliseum. So kayo as a group, how do you feel about performing sa one of the biggest and iconic venues dito sa Pilipinas?
Siyempre po, sobrang thankful po kami sa Viva for believing in us. Kay Boss Vic po for believing in our talents. And ano po to, stepping stone po namin. We'll get a taste of Smart Araneta Coliseum as a group. And we're so happy and we're looking forward na hopefully one day we'll get our own solo shows. Sana.
Handa na ba kayo sumigaw ng Hello,
Yes.
Araneta
Yeah,
Coliseum?
sample.
O sample na? Paano na kayo nagre-rehearse for that?
Rabi.
Sige, Bok Vivercado na lang.
Oo,
Alright.
Vivercado.
So, what's up, Araneta to? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
May patinig na sa mangyayaring FanCon and Grand Concert. Thank you so much and congratulations. We look forward to the Grand Concert.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Alright.